Imagine a life free of pain and inconvenience in prostate. Hello, my name is Robert. In this video I will reveal to you everything about the product. Actiflow. If you are thinking about buying it, pay attention to this video. Is Actiflow really for you? Is it what you are looking for? Actiflow is validated, certified and approved for its effectiveness and safety, but before I continue I need to give you a warning. Because of its effectiveness and fast results, Actiflow is being sold in some similar sites, and this way is wrong. Actiflow is sold only on the official site, and to help you I will leave here in the video description and fixed in the first comment that we're taking advantage of its fame to make counterfeit products. Be careful with your data and your health. Get your product with total security. If you are looking for a product that can help maintain the health of your prostate, you have come to the right place. We present the newest product specially formulated for men who want to keep their prostate healthy and functioning properly. Actiflow is composed of carefully selected and scientifically tested ingredients that help improve prostate health. It contains essential nutrients that can help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of prostate problems. In addition, our product is easy to use and can be easily integrated into your daily routine. Just take one recommended capsule every day and you'll be giving your body the support it needs to keep your prostate healthy. If you're looking for a safe and effective way to take care of your health and keep your prostate functioning properly, try Actiflow today. With its advanced formulation and proven ingredients, you can be sure you're making the right choice for your health. Here are some of the benefits of Actiflow and what it can offer. Prostate health support. Actiflow contains essential nutrients that help maintain prostate health. Also, it may help reduce the risk of prostate problems. Advanced formula. Actiflow is formulated with carefully selected and scientifically tested ingredients too. It provides the best possible support for prostate health. Easy to use. Actiflow is easy to integrate into your daily routine and can be taken as part of your supplementation routine. Safe and effective. Actiflow was developed with safety in mind, and its effectiveness has been proven in clinical studies. Improved quality of life. Maintaining prostate health can help improve quality of life by reducing discomfort and improving urinary function. So, if you want to take care of your prostate and have the peace of mind of knowing you're doing all you can to maintain your health, try Actiflow today. With its advanced formula and proven benefits, you won't regret it. I hope I have helped you with this Actiflow information, and I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have already used Actiflow, please share your experience with us. It will be a pleasure to share this experience with you. If you are planning to buy, check the official link in the description for this video. Also in comment, enter the official site and learn more information regarding this. I will see you on the next useful tips. Also, do not forget to subscribe this channel. Also, share your opinions in the comment box below.